Hey friends, we got a Jonsered 525 chainsaw. I'm gonna cut one off. It's got a brand almost new Oregon VersaCut bar, nicer chain. The one problem here with this thing is it does leak a little fuel where the fuel vent would be underneath the carburetor. I assume that's where it's coming from. I put a new O-ring on the fuel cap. So either that or the fuel vent or the fuel cap, I don't know. We'll have to see what that is, but otherwise the saw works pretty good. You'll see in a second here once I get you situated. I don't know, this thing is being a little fussy. All right, here we go. Flip it on, choke it, make sure the brake's off. Whoop! Good compression, you can see. It'll run all day like this. Good bar swing. Brake work. See, that's a nice saw. That chain really wanted to grip and dig in. It really fit when I got it into the woods. So this thing will run all day. Pretty nice saw. Hate to give it up, but hope you can enjoy it. Like I said, there's just a little bit of a leak somewhere in this area when you tip it on its side. But when it's straight up and down, it's totally fine. So hey, hope you enjoyed the saw. Thanks for watching.